My people, this update, my people, when I cross, this one choke me. I know say most of una know this lady so. Lisar. My people, no be small something. This message when this lady give, it really enter. If this lady dey lie or wetin e talk, say it make sense, my people, make una leave una opinion. Wetin this lady talk, e touch me. He say make Igbo people make them wake up. Oh, this is the opportunity. Make them wake up. Say make everybody make them stand up. Make them come out with their PVC. Make them vote. Oh, say if this year pass, say Nigeria ogwola. Una dey hear am, no be small something. May no come be saying I may use my mouth then narrate wetin this lady talk. You go choke on my people. Make una regade.
Now I'm going to warn all of you living in the southeast. If your brother is a thug, your father is a thug, or your husband, tell him not to come out on Saturday. It's not going to be business as usual. It is not going to be business as usual. Tell him the earlier he stays at home, the better for him. That boy that is giving him money, 30,000 or 50,000 to go and take the life of his fellow man in the name of looking for Biafra, tell him that that man will not be out to save him when it's time. That person that is telling you to go out and cause violence will not be there to save you. I'm going to tell the people living in the southeast, please, on Saturday, come out in your numbers. Come out in your numbers. Ndibo, Biafrans, please, come out in your numbers. Yorubas have accepted P2B. Hausas have accepted P2B. They know that he's the only person that can salvage the situation and give you people at least a breath of fresh air. Come out in your numbers. Support your brother. It is not a bad thing. It is not a crime. It is not a taboo. It is not a sacrilege. Every other tribe is supporting your brother because they know your brother is the only person that is making sense. Don't be left out. Because God is going to ask you a question. Don't listen to those criminals living abroad. Don't listen to them. You stay in abroad, causing problem for the people living in Southeast. I have come again today to speak the truth. This truth that I want to speak today, it will cause a lot of people hypertension and take food away from their mouth. I will take food from your mouth because you are lying to Igbo people. I can't watch you continue lying to my people. You don't love them genuinely. You don't have their interest at heart. I want to speak the truth. That is why I am wearing this cap. Anytime you see a man putting on this cap, it stands for truth, justice, and fairness. This cap is for truth. Apologies to the people, Igbo people that might feel offended because I'm putting on this cap. But I'm sorry. Our men have failed. Our Igbo men have failed. That is why it has come upon me. I have taken up the mantle of speaking the truth. That is why I have to put on this cap. Once you see anybody wearing this cap, speaking lies, just know that our ancestors are not happy with them. And God in heaven is frowning at them. I want to speak the truth to Igbo people. All you will do is to listen attentively, and you are going to get life at the end of the day. I want to tell you why Igbo people don't want P2B to win. The so-called fake Biafra agitators. You know, we have real Biafra agitators and we have the fake ones. I want to differentiate the both. The real ones are the true Democrats. They are not interested in whatever is happening in Nigeria. But the fake ones are the ones issuing that fake seat at home. They don't want P2B to win. They are scared of P2B, and I'm going to tell you why. I will break it down for you. Because I am a Biafra agitator, I will come and lie to people. Why? Because I want to come out every day and be shouting, "Oh, hey, Biafra." Do you think that that is what I have come out to do in life? No. I seek for solution. Why I am endorsing P2B is because I know he is better than Atiku and Tinubu put together. Everybody knows it. Even a baby inside the womb knows what I am saying. What is your interest? Why are you so pained that P2B is gathering supporters all over the world. Hausas, Yorubas, and Igbos, everybody. Why are you pained? Ask that person that said that Igbo people have been marginalized. Why are you now crying? Because P2B has been accepted by everybody. I don't even know. I did not even know that what is happening today to P2B will happen. I didn't see all these things coming. I never knew that Nigerians were going to love my own brother called P2B this way. Now, this is what the so-called Biafra agitators want me to do. They want me to come out and be castigating P2B. They want me to come out and be making caricature of P2B. Why? Why will I choose to castigate my own brother in public when he did not do anything to me? When Fulani is still packaging their own. When Fulani is still packaging and caging their own. Now, what is their excuse? Their excuse is that Nnadi Kanu must be released. If Nnadi Kanu is not released, nothing is going to happen in the southeast. That is their excuse. And I ask you, who is going to release Nnadi Kanu, P2B or Muhammadu Buhari? Who is holding Nnadi Kanu? That woman that you have just destroyed her market, that is selling crayfish in Akwa market in Enugu State. Is that woman the reason why Nnadi Kanu is in DSS custody? The answer is no. There are some things I would love to say, but because of how the situation is, I'm going to leave it till March. Then I will tell you people some certain things that will shock you. That woman that is selling something, vegetable, in a kanu market already, is she the reason why Nnadi Kanu is in captive? The answer is no. Why will you gather boys, do fundraising? After doing fundraising, you share the money into 5 places. Give the boys in the southeast 2. Give them weapons. Tell them to go and be scattering market. Go and be taking lives. And you take the 4. And you take 4 or 3. Put inside your pocket. That is why you are now shine bobo. That is why you are now glowing. You used to be very tattered before. You used to be so tattered and you look so haggard. You look so lanky. You are in abroad. But since you started this Biafra agitation, you are now looking so chubby. You had 1 trouser before. But because of Biafra agitation, you now have 4 trousers. You used to have only 2 shirts. But because you are now a Biafra agitator, you have 10 shirts. You are a proud owner of 10 shirts because of Biafra. You are gaining from Biafrans. Some of them don't have up to $500 in their account. Today they are running in thousands because they are shouting Biafra. If abroad is not favoring you again, go back to Nigeria. If you're not making money living abroad, go back to Nigeria and stop causing violence in the southeast. What kind of Biafra are you looking for that you're kidnapping people in the southeast? Is that the kind of Biafra Ojukwu wanted? Was that the dream of Ojukwu? How will Ojukwu be feeling today that you are kidnapping your own people in Biafra land in the name of seeking for Biafra? That is absurd. That is not the Biafra Ojukwu wanted. Ojukwu in his grave today will be frowning. That is not the dream of Ojukwu. That is not the Biafra Ojukwu wanted. That is why you are castigating your brother. You are a man. Go to Abuja. That is where Buhari is holding Nnadi Kanu. Go to Abuja and release Nnadi Kanu. If you are a man, if you have balls. That is what people that have balls do. Everybody is talking about your brother. You should be happy. Because our men have been docile for years. Our Igbo men have been docile for many years. Even the people that we don't expect that should be talking about Igbo people are preaching Igbo people today. Is a plus on our side. P2B is competent. That is what we are saying. It doesn't change the fact that there is a fundamental problem. There is a problem. Everybody knows it. But what will we do? Are we going to throw P2B away? Now introduce Tinubu or Atiku because we are looking for Biafra. So that when those people win, then we will come out again and be shouting, oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. Shall I told you people? Shall I told you people? Hey, Fulani have come again. What kind of a human being are you? What kind of a human being are you? And anybody that have come out to speak the truth, you will say the person is a saboteur. The person have been bought off. They have bought this person. We said it. You don't have passion more than me. You don't have Biafra spirit more than me. You don't have it. Because Nnadi Kanu picture is in your DP. That is why you think you love Biafra more than I do. You don't. You're only pretending. You are a pretender. You are not seeking for the love of the people. You are only a selfish person. All of you living in abroad, causing violence in the southeast, posterity will never be kind to you. Heaven will be against you and earth will be against you. Do you know what 8 years means? Do you know the meaning of 8 years? 8 years of pains and torture. You want them to go into another 8 years. So that when after everything you are doing, you will start telling them again, we are going to give you Biafra. I want you to ask these people that are agitating for Biafra 2 questions. As it stands now, do you have all it takes to give Biafrans Biafra? The answer is no. When the chiefs are down, are you willing to offer Biafrans to the Southeasterners? The answer is no. When push comes to shove, are you willing to rescue Biafrans from the hands of Nigeria? The answer is no. Are Yorubas not fighting for Oduduwa? Why are they not calling for sit at home? Are Yorubas not calling for Oduduwa? Why are they not kidnapping their people? If Biafra is the type that my people will have to be kidnapped, I am not in support of Biafra. If Biafra is that type, that poor woman that is living in Ebonyi will have to be running every Monday, running every day for her own life. If that is the kind of Biafra Okuku wanted, Okuku called for, I wouldn't have been in support of Biafra. That is not the Biafra of my dream. The Biafra of my dream is the Biafra of peace and love. I don't want a Biafra that is like a horror movie. I don't want a Biafra that is like a horror film. Something that when I sleep, if I wake up, I will start getting scared because of freedom. What manner of freedom is that? You know that Pipo is going to salvage the situation and take food away from your mouth. That is why you are saying, our people, if I see you outside, why are you calling for sit at home? Are the people willingly sitting at home in the southeast? That is to tell you that you are a dictator. They are not willingly sitting at home. Most of them don't even know you. Most of them don't know you. They only know the people you are giving weapons. They are scared of them because nobody wants to lose his or her life. If you are really a freedom fighter, if you are really a genuine freedom fighter, sit down anywhere you are. Tell them to sit at home without bringing your gunmen. Let me know if anybody will respond to you. You take gun and go to them. You take weapons and go to them. And you think that they will not run away. They will definitely run away. They will definitely run away. That is the fact. Ask this fake Biafra agitator. If Pipo fails today, what do you that is watching me stand to gain? Nothing. What does he, issuing orders, stand to gain? A whole lot. A whole lot. He will start shouting, all hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. I will give you Biafra in 30 days. I will give you Biafra in 350 days. I will give you Biafra in 12 days. That is what he stands to gain. While he is telling you all this, money is entering his accounts. What do you stand to gain if Pipo lose? You will gain a lot, and the people will lose. All these things they are doing is to pave way for Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar to win. They are paving way for them. They are paving way for Atiku Abubakar and Tinubu to win. Why Yorubas and Hausas will be laughing and saying, these people are talking about marginalization. Now they have the chance and the opportunity. What is their problem? I don't want that kind of Biafra where my people will be kidnapped. That is not the Biafra of my dream. I don't want the type of Biafra where a helpless woman, an innocent woman that is looking for food to eat will be running every day because of fear of the unknown, because of your boys that you give weapon. Southeast will now be turned to a forest where nothing is happening. Nobody wants to go there again. That is not the Biafra of my dream. If that is what Biafra is all about, take it. I don't need it. I don't need that kind of Biafra. I pity for the poor innocent people that you are deceiving. I don't have any problem. In 100 years, I don't have any problem. I pity for the poor people just because of the love I have for them. That is why I'm saying this. It's all love. I know you don't love them. I know you don't love them. But because I love them, I am telling them, go out in your mass, go out in numbers, and support Peter Obi.
My people, share on. I don't watch the video. No be small something. No, honestly, this lady, she dey intelligent oh. No be small something. All this fight. You Igbo people they fight. All those kind of things. Make them stop am. This is not the time for them to dey fight. Make them focus. Make them not lose guard for this opportunity. So no be small something, my people. This one really touch me. Honestly, make Igbo people make them wake up. This is the opportunity. All the states they love this man so. Okay, my people, now yeah, now I want for live on. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Cha cha everyone. Bye bye.